Welcome to this lesson. In this lesson, I'm going to show you types of YouTube thumbnails which are already available on Canva. So just come on search bar and just type YouTube thumbnails and you will see vlog YouTube thumbnails, travel YouTube thumbnails. So if you don't have any idea how to create thumbnail on blog or travel, just click on these and you will get ideas. Travel YouTube thumbnails. So you can see here Paris travel, and these are the like YouTube thumbnails which are already created. Some are paid and some are like free. So just go ahead and check it according to your requirement. Just check this one, like it's free. Just come here, customize this, and you can use for your travel YouTube thumbnail. Okay, just check it like travel blog episode number. You can put your own episode, traveling by train. So whatever you want to put, you just come and put here. So some categories are already given. You just go ahead and check it and just edit it, and you can make it your own thumbnail. Yes, in case of vlogging also you will get some ideas here how people vlog. So you can edit this one. So this one is paid. Here you can see paid version, so you don't have to, or you don't have permission to use, but I can use in the paid version, and I have paid version, and in the later video I will show you how powerful paid version is. Okay, so just go ahead, check it and make your own thumbnail. For now, bye bye.